Hey freeze dryers, it's Brian with Retired at 40. It has been an interesting year to say the least. But out of all the wild and crazy things that have happened this year, freeze drying and the freeze drying community has just grown and become pretty amazing. And I feel like I've been super fortunate this year. My channel hit 100,000 subscribers. Our social media groups have over 30,000 members now, and I'm sure that'll just continue to grow. We also had our 1-year anniversary at freezedryingsupplies.com. I crossed the 4-year mark on YouTube and did my 200th video. And the freeze drying community in general has grown to a really an unfathomable number. In fact, 4 years ago when I started doing this, no one, it seemed, knew what freeze drying even was. But I really want to extend my thank you. I feel very fortunate to be in this position. So as promised, we're gonna do a lot of big giveaways to close out this year. So today I'm happy to announce I get to give away my favorite freeze drying pump, the harvestright Premier Pump. This is going to be a great opportunity for freeze dryers to upgrade their current pump to a Premier Pump if they don't already have one, or it could give you a good opportunity to just get a backup pump if you need one. All you have to do to enter is go to freezedryingsupplies.com. And this giveaway is just the first of our giveaways for the holiday season, so stay tuned for some really big stuff coming up. And to announce the winner, we're going to try something new. We're going to do YouTube Live Thursday, November 25th. We're going to announce this live, and we're going to go old school. We're going to draw a piece of paper out of a hat. Also, if you missed any of this info, we'll put it on the Facebook group and the MeWe group. You can see all the info and all the details of this video there. So happy Thanksgiving in advance. Good luck. This is Retired at 40. Remember to live life simple, and we'll catch you next week.